Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. So, yesterday we studied about tall trees. I had explained this chapter to all of you about this poem, Tall Trees, that how they are very big and they keep shelter to the birds so that they can take rest. So, question answer that take the correct options and opposite words and rhyming words. This whole chapter was over. Okay, so your today's homework will be that you had completed 8 lines poem in the notebook. So you have to start with this, take the correct option and match the words with their opposites. These two things you have to write down in your notebook. And today we are going to be starting our new chapter, lesson number 8, which is Murali becomes a good boy. Murali becomes a good boy. So we are going to be starting this lesson number 8 to all of you. So open page number 99. Open page number 99. How can you help others? Pick any two pictures and talk to your parent, talk to your partner about it. So how you can help others? By doing some things you can help others. Some pictures are given over here. 4 pictures are given over here, and you have to take a partner. You can, now since you are at home, so you can take your brother or your sister with you and you can talk about this. First is a boy is helping an old man and he is saying, let me help you cross the road. He is helping the old man to cross the road. Second picture is this one. Second picture is a girl is saying to her mom that let me carry the bag for you. Let me carry the bag for you. Third picture is saying a person is offering some biscuits to a man is offering some biscuits to the beggar. Have some biscuits. Fourth one is a boy is asking to the next boy that may I water the plants in the park today. He is offering help to someone. So you can also take any one picture and talk to your partner about the picture. Okay, so now let's come to this story portion. Page number 100, 100. We will start reading of this lesson. First we will read complete reading of this lesson, and then one by one paragraph I will be explaining it to all of you. Okay, so we are starting with our first word, that is, there was a small village called Dholpur. There was a small village called Dholpur. The villagers were farmers and they lived happily. But there was a naughty 9-year-old boy called Murali. He troubled everyone. One day he cut the rope with his neighbor's goat was tied to a mango tree. The goat ran away. It was not to be found. His neighbor Sangeeta was very angry. The other day Murali broke all the clay pots of Ramya. She had kept them near her hut. When she saw the broken pots, she was very upset. Sangeeta and Ramya went to Murali's parents and told them about it, but they did not believe them. They said, Murali is a good boy. He will never do such things. His parents always said so when the villagers come to complain about their son. One morning, Murali was all alone. His parents had gone to the nearby town to see the doctor. Murali climbed up the big mango tree near his house. He tried to pluck a big ripe mango. Suddenly he slipped and fell down. So here is the picture also, it is given, you can see here, and how he fell down. In the next page, come to the next page, page number 101. Here he has fell down when he was taking out the ripe mango. Murali's neighbor Sangeeta ran out when she heard him shout in pain. She helped Murali get up. She took him to her house. She gave him medicine for the pain. Sangeeta also gave him food to eat. He felt much better. Soon Ramya came to meet Sangeeta. He felt sorry for Murali. Ramya went to her house and got some ripe mangoes for him. Both Sangeeta and Ramya looked after him well. Murali realized that he had not been a good boy. He started crying and said, Sangeeta aunty and Ramya aunty, I am sorry. I am so sorry. I have troubled you all a lot. But you have been so kind to me. I will never be naughty again. Sangeeta and Ramya smiled at him and said, it is all right. When Murali's parents came back, they thanked them. They took Murali home. Within a day, their son had changed and learned a lot. From that day onwards, he behaved well and was polite with others. Okay, so this was the story of Murali, how he became a good boy. So now I am going to explain this story to all of you. I hope you are taking it well. So there was a small village called Dholpur. There was a village and the village name was Dholpur. The villagers were farmers and they lived happily. So all the people of that village were farmers and they used to live very happy life. But there was a naughty 9-year-old boy called Murali. But there was one boy, the boy's name was Murali, and he was very naughty. He troubled everyone. He used to tease everyone. He used to trouble everybody. One day he cut the rope with which his neighbor's goat was tied into a mango tree. So one mango tree was there and one of his neighbor's goat was tied to that mango tree, and he cut the rope and the goat ran away. It was not to be found and the neighbor was not able to find the goat because the goat ran away. His neighbor Sangeeta was very angry and that goat was Sangeeta's. That was Sangeeta's goat and she became very angry on Murali. The other day Murali broke all the pots of Ramya. The other day Murali broke all the clay pots of Ramya. First day he cut that rope of goat and the goat ran away. And the other day he broke all the clay pots of Ramya. Ramya was also one of his neighbors. She had kept them near her head. She had kept all the pots near her hut. It is also mentioned here. See, all the pots Ramya had kept near her hut and Murali broke all the clay pots of Ramya. She had kept them near her head. When she saw the broken pots, she became very upset. She became very upset and sad when she saw all the broken pots of clay. Sangeeta and Ramya went to Murali's parents and told them about everything, that how he has misbehaved with them. But they did not believe him. They knew that their boy is very well and he has not done anything to them. They did not believe them. They said, Murali is a good boy. He can never do such things. His parents always said so when the villagers came to complain about their son. Whenever any villager was going to complain about their son, they were saying that Murali is a very good boy and he cannot do such things. They were never believing others that Murali is a very naughty boy. One morning, Murali was all alone and his parents had gone to nearby town to see the doctor. So one day Murali was alone in the house and their parents went to see the doctor in the nearby town. Murali climbed up a big mango tree. That mango tree, he climbed up to the mango tree near his house. He tried to pluck a big ripe mango. A big ripe mango he tried to pluck from that tree and suddenly his leg slipped and he fell down. Murali's neighbor Sangeeta, whose goat he ran away, whose goat that goat was of Sangeeta's, right? So Murali's neighbor Sangeeta ran out and she heard him shout in pain. She helped Murali get up. She took him to her house because there was no one at Murali's house. She gave him medicine for the pain. Sangeeta also gave him some food to eat. He felt much better after taking the medicine and the food. Soon Ramya came to meet Sangeeta. She felt sorry for Murali because when Ramya saw that Murali has fell down, she was very sad. Ramya went to her house and got some ripe mangoes for Murali. Both Sangeeta and Ramya looked after him well because there was no one at his place, so Ramya and Sangeeta was taking care of him. Murali realized that he had not been a good boy. Murali realized his mistake, that he was very naughty and he was not doing good with them. So he started crying and said, Sangeeta auntie and Ramya auntie, I am very sorry. He realized his mistake and said sorry to both of them. I have troubled you a lot. So I have troubled you a lot. I have done so many mischievous things, but you have been so kind to me. But still I have done so many bad things to you, but still you have taken care of me. You have been so kind to me that when I needed your help, you helped me. I will never be naughty again. Now I will not be naughty. Sangeeta and Ramya smiled at him and said, it is all right. When Murali's parents came back, they thanked him. They thanked Sangeeta and Ramya. They took Murali home. Within a day, their son has changed and learnt a lot. So, after this incident, their son Murali had changed. His nature completely changed. Now he did not used to disturb others. From that day onwards, he behaved well and was polite with others. So after that day, after that incident, he was behaving well with others and he was very polite with others. He was speaking in polite way. So this incident had changed Murali from a bad boy into a good boy. So, tell me how was this lesson and did you like this story or not? So, this reading is over and I have explained this lesson to all of you. Next day, we will be doing question answers, tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, true and false, all these things tomorrow.